So you want to learn how to mine cryptocurrency like Dogecoin or BTC? I'm going to show you how. First up, go to Google search, go to and type in on mineable. And it will be here on mineable.com. Go there and okay, what you get is you get your downloads. You can hit this download here in the bottom left of my screen. It's downloading there. And I will show you on this website coins. Here's all the coins you can mine using this. So we've got BitTorrent, Binance Cash, obviously the most popular Bitcoin Gold, Dogecoin, the mighty Dogecoin. And there's just so many. There's XRP there, Stellar. Okay, now once that's downloaded, open it up and it will unpack. When it unpacks, you will see this file here. Once you've extracted unmineable miner 101 beta packed, and all you do is double click that and open up your miner, your crypto miner. Click continue, select your graphics card. You can mine with a CPU, but obviously my graphics card is better than my CPU, even though my CPU is pretty good. Yeah, and then so select your coin that you want to mine from here. Then here you enter your wallet address. My wallet's from Binance, I've got all my wallets there, and it's really important that you pick the wallet for the coin that you wish to mine. So BitTorrent coin, I'll use my BitTorrent wallet address. So if you want to get paid, make sure you get that step right. Okay, and once you start mining, it will look like this. This is what it goes to. This is what, as you can see, I've been mining, and that's not from doing it for long. Stop that as means for. There you have it. It's that easy. And this is, obviously, see on the right hand side there, it's where and what I've been mining and how much I've mined. So you know it's real. And there's my referral code. If you want to use that code, you don't have to use this, but it's to be a nice way of saying thank you for me showing you this and how to get started with mining. I'll just do this for fun. This is a little hobby for me, so yeah, it's just something I'll play around with. I'm not a financial advisor in any way, shape or form. And I found all this stuff out myself researching online, and I'd advise you guys to do the same. But I hope this has helped you in some way, shape or form, and that you like it. Don't forget to use that referral code. I will put it in the description. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, until next time, see ya.